Investing in new windows for your New Orleans home is one of the most effective ways to boost its value, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to improve your living space, new windows can make a significant difference. From modernizing the look of your home to improving insulation, new windows are a smart home improvement that offers both aesthetic and practical benefits. In this article, we'll explore how replacing old windows with new, high-quality ones can increase the value of your home in New Orleans. Improved curb appeal. The first thing potential buyers or guests notice when they approach your home is its exterior appearance. Old, outdated, or damaged windows can significantly lower your home's curb appeal, making it look tired and unkempt. On the other hand, new windows can instantly refresh and modernize the exterior, making your home more visually appealing and inviting. Aesthetics. With a wide variety of window styles available, from modern sliding windows to classic double-hung windows or sleek casement windows, you can choose windows that complement your home's architectural style. Whether you opt for energy-efficient windows, custom designs, or impact-resistant windows, the right choice can dramatically enhance the look of your home. Boosting first impressions. New windows create a lasting first impression, attracting more attention from potential buyers and visitors. The improved curb appeal also adds to your home's marketability, making it stand out among other properties. Increased energy efficiency. In New Orleans, where the weather can be hot and humid, energy efficiency is a significant factor in both comfort and cost savings. Older windows may not have proper insulation, leading to heat loss in the winter and cool air loss in the summer. As a result, your air conditioning or heating systems work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, driving up energy bills. Energy-efficient windows. New windows, especially those with double pane or triple pane glass, provide better insulation. They reduce the amount of heat that enters during the summer and retain warmth during the winter, helping to keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Low E glass, low emissivity coatings are also available to block out harmful UV rays while letting in natural light, further improving your home's energy efficiency. Long-term savings. By reducing your home's energy consumption, new windows can save you money on utility bills over time. This is an attractive feature for potential buyers, especially those looking for eco-friendly and cost-effective homes. Energy-efficient windows increase your home's sustainability and overall desirability, offering long-term financial benefits. Enhanced security and safety. One of the critical factors that potential buyers consider when purchasing a home is security. Old, worn-out windows can be vulnerable to break-ins, especially if they are easy to pry open or have damaged locks. New windows provide increased security and peace of mind for homeowners. Stronger materials. New windows are made from stronger materials such as reinforced glass or impact-resistant glass. These windows are harder to break or tamper with, adding an extra layer of protection for your home. Secure locks. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms that are more difficult to bypass, improving the overall security of your home. Multi-point locking systems and reinforced frames are common in many new windows, making them an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's safety. Increased home value and market appeal. When it comes to selling your home in New Orleans, new windows are an investment that can significantly increase your property's value. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for homes that are well-maintained, energy efficient, and secure. By upgrading your windows, you make your home more appealing and competitive in the real estate market. Attracting buyers. Homes with new windows are often perceived as more modern and move-in ready, attracting more buyers who may not want to deal with costly upgrades or repairs. Windows are a major component of the home's curb appeal, and fresh, new windows can increase the resale value by making the home look updated and well-maintained. Return on investment. According to many real estate experts, new windows can offer a high return on investment, ROI, with some homeowners recouping up to 70% or more of the cost of installation when selling their homes. This makes window replacement one of the most cost-effective home improvements, especially in a market like New Orleans. Better comfort and indoor air quality. New windows do more than just improve the look and efficiency of your home. They also contribute to your home's comfort and indoor air quality. Older windows can allow drafts, condensation, and moisture to enter, leading to uneven temperatures and poor air quality indoors. New windows provide a more comfortable, healthier living environment. Preventing drafts. Modern windows are designed to create a tighter seal than older windows, preventing cold or hot air from entering and maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature. Better ventilation. Many new windows come with advanced ventilation features that help improve airflow, reducing the buildup of moisture and improving air quality. This is especially important in New Orleans, where humidity can lead to mold and mildew growth in poorly ventilated areas. Conclusion. Investing in new windows for your New Orleans home. Upgrading your windows in New Orleans is a smart investment that can significantly increase your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency. New windows not only improve your home's curb appeal and security but also provide a higher return on investment when it's time to sell. Whether you're looking to improve your home's appearance, save on energy bills, or increase its overall market value, new windows are a worthwhile investment. If you're ready to enhance your New Orleans home with new windows, contact a professional window installation company to explore the best options for your needs. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient windows, you'll be setting your home up for long-term comfort, savings, and increased marketability.